The large endangered leatherback turtle, which is a highly migratory predator, relies on a diet of low-energy gelatinous zooplankton or jellyfish. Due to the fact that these jellyfish are a very low-energy food source for the leatherback turtles, who are migrating thousands of kilometres at a time, it has been estimated that the hatchling leatherback turtles consume more than 100% of their body weight, and adult turtles consume 50% of their body weight. With this being such a large percentage, it brings into question just how successful the foraging strategy for these turtles is. To see just how effective the foraging strategy of the leatherback turtles really is, scientists fitted a number of these turtles with video cameras to try and record their encounter rate with jellyfish, and then the consumption of the jellyfish which were encountered. The aim of attaching the video cameras to the turtles was to prove that the feeding tactics of the leatherback turtles are highly effective in their migratory patterns, and to see whether there was any wastage of jellyfish that were attacked. This study ran for a number of years, from 2008 to 2010, using 19 different turtles. The video duration for each turtle observed ran for approximately 1 hour and 53 minutes. Even though this is a short time, it was still enough time to judge the effectiveness of their foraging strategy. A total of 601 jellyfish captures were recorded, and the capture success for the turtles was 100%. This proves that the foraging strategy that the turtles employ is both successful and effective. Handling time of the captured jellyfish was not an issue, as the turtles were quick to discard any missed prey, and any prey caught was quickly ingested so that foraging could continue. The depth at which the jellyfish were attacked wasn't a main factor, but it was still noted whether many were attacked on the surface or deeper down. In all years there was consumption at depth, but in 2010 there was a notable consumption of dead jellyfish floating on the surface. This is most likely due to the fact that because these jellyfish weren't moving, they were just an easier prey. The temperate waters of eastern Canada support one of the largest seasonal foraging populations of leatherback turtles. When the turtles were foraging here, there was jellyfish encountered on 75% of all dives. The high encounter rates of jellyfish per dive lend support to the identification of this area as a foraging hotspot for leatherbacks. Due to the fact that this foraging behaviour of the leatherback turtles was observed on a relatively short-term video, it is not completely determined that the leatherback turtles do in fact have a stable foraging strategy. But due to the fact that all of the turtles that had video cameras attached to them had great success, it could be said that the leatherback turtles are a highly adept predator for the prey that they are chasing and also the environment that they are in.